In today's fast-paced world, keeping our living spaces clean can often feel like a daunting task. Spin mops and buckets have revolutionized the way we approach cleaning, making it more efficient and less labor-intensive. With innovative designs and user-friendly features, these cleaning tools help save time and effort. Number 1. Spin mop and bucket set 360 degrees rotation. The spin mop and bucket set with 360 degrees rotation is a standout choice for those seeking an efficient cleaning solution. This innovative mop features a unique spinning mechanism that allows you to effortlessly clean floors without the hassle of traditional mopping. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort while cleaning, making it ideal for individuals of all ages. With its lightweight construction, this spin mop is easy to maneuver, allowing you to reach under furniture and into tight spaces without strain. The bucket includes a built-in wringer, which means no more hand-wringing mops or soggy floors. The 360 degrees rotation of the mop head provides excellent coverage and cleaning power, making it perfect for various floor types, including tiles, hardwood, and laminate. Additionally, the machine-washable microfiber mop heads are designed to capture dirt and grime effectively, ensuring a deep clean every time. Key features: 360 degrees rotating mop head provides thorough cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Built-in wringer, easily wring out excess water without the mess. Lightweight design, easy to carry and maneuver around your home. Machine-washable mop heads, reusable and cost-effective, simply toss them in the washing machine. Versatile use, suitable for various surfaces, ensuring your home stays spotless. Number 2. Self-washing spin mop bucket. The self-washing spin mop bucket is an ingenious cleaning solution designed for maximum efficiency. This mop bucket features a dual-chamber system that separates dirty water from clean water, allowing you to clean your floors with a fresh mop every time. The self-washing mechanism means that when you place the mop into the bucket, it automatically cleans itself, ensuring that you never spread dirt around your home. This product is especially useful for busy households, where time is of the essence. The mop head is made from ultra-absorbent microfiber that effortlessly captures dirt and grime. Plus, the ergonomic handle makes it easy to adjust the mop to your preferred height, reducing strain during cleaning sessions. Key features: dual-chamber system, keeps dirty and clean water separate for effective cleaning. Self-cleaning mechanism, automatically cleans the mop head when placed in the bucket. Ultra-absorbent microfiber, ensures a deep clean with minimal effort. Ergonomic handle, adjustable to different heights for user comfort. Easy to use, designed for hassle-free cleaning with minimal mess. Number 3. Professional spin mop set. The professional spin mop set is a premium choice for those who want a high-quality cleaning experience. Designed with durability and performance in mind, this mop set features a robust construction that can withstand regular use. The mop head rotates 360 degrees, making it incredibly easy to clean corners, baseboards, and under furniture. This set includes multiple microfiber mop heads, ensuring that you always have a clean one on hand. The bucket is designed for easy draining, and its lightweight design makes it easy to transport around your home. The professional spin mop set is perfect for those who want to invest in a long-lasting cleaning solution. Key features: durable construction, built to last, ensuring long-term use. 360 degrees rotation, effortlessly clean around furniture and in tight spaces. Multiple mop heads, comes with several microfiber heads for maximum efficiency. Easy draining bucket, simplifies the process of disposing of dirty water. Lightweight and portable, easy to carry for cleaning throughout your home. Number 4. Compact spin mop and bucket. The compact spin mop and bucket is ideal for those with limited storage space or smaller living areas. Despite its compact size, this mop and bucket set does not compromise on performance. The Spin Mop features a 360-degree swivel head that easily cleans corners and tight spaces. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for quick cleanups and everyday use. The bucket includes a built-in wringer that efficiently removes excess water, allowing you to mop without leaving behind puddles. Additionally, the microfiber mop head is machine washable and highly absorbent, making it an eco-friendly option for your cleaning needs. The compact Spin Mop and bucket is perfect for apartments, small homes, or anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Key features: compact design, saves storage space while still being highly effective. 360-degree swivel head, reaches into tight spaces for thorough cleaning. Built-in wringer, easily removes excess water for streak-free floors. Machine washable microfiber head, eco-friendly and cost-effective. Lightweight and easy to use, perfect for everyday cleaning tasks. Number 5. Heavy-duty Spin Mop System. The heavy-duty Spin Mop system is designed for those who require a more robust cleaning solution. This Spin Mop is built to handle tough jobs, featuring a sturdy construction that is resistant to wear and tear. The mop head rotates a full 360 degrees, providing maximum reach and flexibility during cleaning. This system includes a large bucket with an efficient wringer that allows for easy cleaning and draining of dirty water. The heavy-duty microfiber mop heads are designed to trap dirt and debris effectively, ensuring a deep clean. Whether you're tackling tough stains or just keeping your floors clean, this Spin Mop system is up to the task. Key features: sturdy construction, designed to withstand heavy use and tough cleaning jobs. 360 degrees rotating head, reaches every corner and crevice with ease. Large capacity bucket, holds more water, reducing the need for frequent refills. Efficient wringer, quickly removes excess water for faster drying times. Heavy-duty microfiber mop heads, traps dirt and grime effectively for a thorough clean. Conclusion: choosing the right Spin Mop and bucket can make a significant difference in your cleaning routine. Each of the products listed above offers unique features that cater to various cleaning needs, whether you live in a small apartment or a large home. By investing in one of these top-rated Spin Mops and buckets, you can streamline your cleaning process and maintain a spotless environment with ease. Don't forget to check out the full range of options on AliExpress to find the perfect match for your cleaning needs.